How to become a real independent distributor. There are 2 simple steps. First, sign up as a real sub-distributor and buy a package worth 150 product point value and be eligible of these fantastic financial rewards. Let us go through it one by one. As a real independent distributor, you are entitled to a full 30% discount on all your subsequent purchases. Of course, when you sell it to your customers, you will have to sell it at the suggested retail price, a rule designed to protect all distributors from price wars. When you sell it at SRP, you earn 30% discount as your profit. As a real independent distributor, each time you are able to sell one whole package valued at 14,790 pesos to a client, you get a wholesale commission of 1,610 pesos. The more product packages you sell, the more earnings you get. Earn 2,100 pesos for every matching sales of 150 ppb for your Team A and Team B, or 1,050 pesos for every matching sales of 75 ppb. All products of Real has corresponding product point value, or PPV, and a package is equivalent to 150 ppb. Assuming you sold 2 packages from Mark and Anna, and we place them in your Team A and Team B, respectively, the system will read that you have 1 matching sales and will credit you 2,100 pesos. But remember, that is not your total earnings yet. You earned 1,610 for each client as a wholesale commission, so your total earnings is 5,320 pesos. What is great about Real is you can turn your active income to passive income. How's that? Mark and Anna are your Team A and Team B. Mark sold 2 packages to 2 different clients, making you earn 300 ppb for your Team A. On the other hand, Anna sold 2 packages to 1 client. That gives you 300 ppb in your Team B as well. The system will read that you have 2 matching sales of 150 ppb, so your total commission is 4,200 pesos. By systematically increasing your number of distributors in your account, you can simultaneously increase your income. The maximum override commission that a real independent distributor can earn is 21,000 pesos per day per one account. That's 147,000 per week, or a little more than $500,000 per month. You can also earn from individual products your team buy for their personal use or business. When it accumulates 75 ppb, you immediately earn 1,050 pesos. Earn up to 8% rebate for your personal purchase and 5 to 1% rebates on your group Unilevel points value for your first to 10 sales organization respectively. First, all your personal purchases as independent distributor will earn you 8% in rebates. Again, percentage rebates are applied to Unipoints for each purchased product. The first level of your team are those whom you sold product packages directly. Earn 5% in rebates on your first level. The second level of your team are those whom your first level distributor sold packages directly. Earn 4% in rebates on your second level, and so on. Earn up to 30% rebate from multi-level point value of your independent distributors according to their level. The multi-level program gives additional product rebates depending on your leadership position in the organization. At present, there are 5 positions: entry level, emerald, sapphire, ruby, and diamond. Rebates increase as your leadership position increase. The leadership position increase as your team grows. Remember, all of this isn't impossible to do because of the system I will share to you. A system you can do by just tapping in your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. A system that will not let you make cold calls or will not let you seem as a pushy salesman. Now, you can laser target the right people to work with. You can do business even during busy schedule. And most of all, you can do business anywhere or everywhere you are. You can now distribute Real products worldwide with an ease and turn your active income to passive income.